Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Here at Mad About Skin, we're passionate about helping you to get the most out of your skincare. So if you haven't already, now's a fantastic time to click that link below, subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and you won't miss out on any of our amazing future content. Now, in today's video, in a break from our normal content, I've already uploaded a video today, but I wanted to just jump on and share with you guys my thoughts and answer the questions on what must be the most talked about, discussed, and debated product in skincare history, and that is this product, the Niacinamide 10 plus Zinc 1 serum from The Ordinary. I get so many questions on this product. I have done videos touching on niacinamide before, which I'll link as we come through this video, but so many questions are directed at this product specifically, so I thought I'm going to jump on, I'm going to answer the questions that you guys might have relating to the product, and just talk about ultimately, what's the truth? Does it actually work? Does it purge? Does it cause you to break out? Will it treat your acne scars? And how should you incorporate it in your skincare routine? All the common questions answered. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching. Right, I wanted to keep this short and sweet, so let's get straight into it. This product here in the UK costs £5, $6 in the US. That is a super affordable price point. It's budget friendly and it has taken TikTok and Instagram by storm. Everybody's talking about this product. I'd say about 80% of people say, oh my God, changed my skin, I love this product, you need to rush out and buy it now. And about 20% say it causes purging, irritation, breakouts, acne, all the things you kind of don't want any skincare product to create. And so let's get into it and talk about the truth. Right, the hard truth is that niacinamide will not cure your acne. It will, over time, have a benefit for evening out skin tone. It will help fade some of those marks which have been left by pimples and breakouts which haven't healed properly. So it will help with the healing of the acne, but it will not prevent acne itself. You need a full routine to deliver that. The zinc will help to eradicate some of the excess oil production in the skin, which will calm some of the breakouts. And overall, it's a nice product to have, but I don't think it lives up to the hype that maybe people have created around niacinamide as an ingredient and around this product specifically. One of the key concerns people raise when they're using this product is that it dries their skin out. So let's kind of delve into that a little bit more. As an ingredient itself, niacinamide isn't drying. So you can use this on all skin types from the driest right the way through to the oiliest, and you shouldn't see too much drying from the niacinamide alone. The issue with this product and why some people do find it particularly drying on their skin is because it involves other ingredients beyond just the niacinamide, particularly an emulsifier, which is quite a harsh emulsifier. Emulsifiers are used in products to help waters and oils combine and just make for a better consistency of the product. So emulsifiers themselves aren't an issue, but this particular one is quite strong, and so it acts almost like a surfactant, which are things which give foaming to cleansers. So a lot of people say when they use this product, it can leave a little bit of a foamy sort of texture on the skin, especially if it's applied to damp skin. That's because this emulsifier is acting in a similar way to surfactants, and surfactants can dry the skin. So the ingredients in here I don't think are particularly friendly to dry skin types, which is why you might be experiencing that drying. Now if you're someone like me who has oily and acneic skin, that could be a benefit, because actually I want my skin to be dried of some of that oil. I'm producing too much sebum in the skin, so the drying actually could be a benefit, which is why I think people with oily and breakout prone skin love and come hard for this product, and yet people who are using it as a niacinamide treatment but with drier skin struggle and find it strips and dries their skin further. So I really don't think this is a product that should be used on anyone other than with combination or oily skin. Another complaint people often raise is that it causes purging. Well, niacinamide itself does not cause purging. Purging happens when you have an increase in cellular turnover caused by an active ingredient which will increase that rate of cellular turnover, something like a glycolic acid or a retinol. You will not get a purge, which is where you see all of those breakouts, those comedones that are under the skin emerging and erupting at once. You won't get that with a niacinamide. However, the formulation which a niacinamide is held in can sometimes cause a purge-like effect, which is what is happening with this product. It doesn't happen with everyone. When I use this product, didn't experience a purging, but you do see stories out there of people who have reacted to this formulation and it's caused that eruption of acne to come to the surface all in one go. Now, purging actually isn't a bad thing. I kind of see it as a positive, because these zits, these comedones, were going to erupt at some point anyway, and so purging is just getting it all done in one go. It can be quite distressing because it all happens at once, but I don't necessarily think it's a negative thing. If you use this product and you were to experience any purging, it'll happen at around day 3 and should last for about 2 weeks. So if you want to set your expectations by that, and I think it's a process that's kind of worth going through to get to the amazing results at the end, which is one of the reasons why you might see that clear skin afterwards, because it's all erupted in one go, done away with, and then you have your clear skin life to look forward to after. So I wouldn't see purging necessarily as a negative, but if it is something that concerns you, maybe this isn't the right formulation of niacinamide for you. Finally, people say it's irritating. It irritates their skin and it causes redness and that inflammation in the skin. Well, niacinamide actually is quite calming to the skin. So if you're used in the right amount, it should be quite therapeutic and soothing. However, studies have shown that niacinamide is best when it's used at between a 3 and a 7% concentration. In that concentration window, you get quite a lot of the results and the benefits that you want from the ingredient, but you don't get many of the side effects, such as increased irritation and redness from the product. So really, you should be looking, if you're worried about sensitivity, for a niacinamide in a concentration of between 3 and 7%. This has a concentration of 10%, which is only a fraction above that 7%, but why some people who already have skin sensitivity might see it increased when they use this product. So I would say this isn't something you should worry about if you have normal skin. If you already have inbuilt skin sensitivity, maybe you should give this product a pass and look for another niacinamide which has a lower concentration. Something around the 5% I think would be my preference. So a lot of people say, how do I use this in my routine? Well, actually, I've done a whole video on using niacinamide correctly. So if you realise that this might be the product for you, and I'll come on to who I think this is applicable for in a minute, then hop over to that video, which I'll link up there, and I'll put a link in the description box below. Check that out, because that's a quick, short, sharp video on how to layer this product in your skincare routine if you do want to incorporate it. I guess to summarise, what do I think of this product? Well, first of all, it's cruelty-free, it's colourant-free, and it's fragrance-free. So ding, 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 love that. I love the price point. You know, £5 here in the UK, $6 in the US. Fantastic price point, and nobody can argue with that. It's accessible, it's budget friendly, and it's fantastic. And I think you get a really good product for that price point. This product works beautifully for people who have oily and acneic skin. It's going to cause some drying, which you want if you have an excess, an abundance of sebum production in the skin. The zinc is also going to help with that, which is fantastic. 10% is a perfectly fine concentration of niacinamide for anyone who doesn't have sensitive skin already. So I would say if you are combination oily with no sensitivity, this should be your go-to niacinamide. It's affordable, it's effective, and it'll deliver a really nice brightening to the skin, some even out that skin tone, and will help suppress and even out some of that oil production in the skin. A fantastic product, and the touch of zinc in there as well just makes it a standout star performer. However, I don't think this should be your go-to niacinamide. Niacinamide is fantastic, but I don't think it should be your go-to niacinamide if you have dry or sensitive skin. If you're worried about purging, then perhaps look for another product that is just formulated with a little more gentle base ingredients, but I don't see purging necessarily as a bad thing. It happens to very few people who use this product, and it's a 2-week process, which once you get past, you'll have that gorgeous glowing skin to look forward beyond that. So purging, if it's a concern of yours, maybe give this product a miss, but if you're happy to just see that through to the other end, the chances are small of you purging, and when you do, you'll have gorgeous skin at the other end anyway. Anyway guys, I'm going to cut it short there because I do hope you found this video useful and informative. Leave me a comment below. Do you love this product? Are you coming hard for it? Or is this just a firm pass? I have linked the product below, as well as some of my personal favourite niacinamides if you're looking for an alternative. So click on those links below if you want to buy this product, or if you want to look at some of the alternatives. Wherever you are in the world, guys, I hope you're staying safe and well, and I hope you found this video useful. Take care. Bye.